Hey guys, today we're talking about cigars. Hey guys, welcome back to Gent's Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's lifestyle, fashion, whiskey, and today, cigars. So a few years ago, we put out our first cigar videos, and needless to say, we had a lot to learn. So actually this week, I'm going to meet up with my friend Pierre, who runs the website Puro Trader, which is pretty much like the eBay for cigars. I'll have a link to it down below. But if you guys have any cigar specific questions you want to ask a cigar guru, leave them in the comments below. I'm meeting up with him this week, so we will get to those questions and we will shoot some videos with him ASAP. So today, while we're waiting for those questions to come in, I wanted to talk about an accessory that has changed my cigar smoking experience for the better, and that is the perfect draw. So for those of you that aren't avid cigar smokers, I'm going to explain to you that cigar making is not an exact science. It's all done by hand. The really well-made things are all done by hand. So, sometimes you get a little bit of inconsistency. Sometimes, you get a really good draw, which is, how easy it is to pull the smoke from the cigar into your mouth. And other times it'll be a really tight draw, which, you feel like your eyeballs are popping out of your head because you're sucking so hard. And that's not a great experience because, one, the cigar won't stay lit as well because you're trying to really and you're getting very lightheaded because you're inhaling so hard, which is not necessary. So basically what the perfect draw does is opens up the cigar so you get the perfect draw every time. Now, I'm not saying this is gonna make every cigar you buy taste better or be a better cigar, but at least you're gonna get a consistent draw every time. So what you want to do is you want to take your cigar, cut the tip off as you normally would. You can do a punch cut, a V cut, guillotine cut, whatever you want. But just make sure you're taking off just the top part. You don't need to go too far down. Just get it a little nice and open. So once you cut the cigar, you can kind of test it out and see how it feels, see how the air gets through there. And if you're a beginner cigar smoker, you're really not going to know at this point. It's kind of tough to tell unless you smoked quite a few cigars. And honestly, this one feels pretty good already, but let's just say it's a little tight. So basically what a tight draw is because the tobacco in here is packed very tightly and it's not letting air get up through the cigar. So basically this perfect draw tool was invented by a dentist, and it really looks like a little orthodontic dental tool, little drill bit type thing. But what you want to do is you just stick the drill bit in the cigar, give it a little twist. Now, I wouldn't go too far in with this, but you can give it a decent twist, maybe inch and a half in there. But basically you want to just screw it in and then unscrew it to get it out. And it's just going to pop out a little bit of tobacco here and there, and it's going to give you a little more airflow. So, you could try it again, light it up, see how it works, see how it feels. And if you need more, just go a little deeper or add another one to another side if you have a big enough gauge cigar. So as you're doing this, more air is going to get in, more tobacco is going to be removed, so you're going to get an easier draw, and you can pretty much do this until you get the perfect draw, hence the name. And I do recommend having one of these in your cigar toolkits. I know it's a lot of stuff to carry around if you're going out for like a wedding or whatever, but if you're having the boys over for cigars kind of in your at-home toolkit, I highly recommend having one of these. So once again, guys, I'm going to meet up with my buddy Pierre, who runs Puro Trader, this week. If you have any cigar guru questions or cigar questions you want to ask, leave me a comment down below and I'm going to do a little Q&A with him this week. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's lifestyle, men's fashion, whiskey, cigars, and now the perfect draw. Cheers, guys.